Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to get a handle on your growing list of contacts in Mailchimp, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of tagging and organizing your contacts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use tags to keep your audience tidy, find the right people at the right time, and make your email marketing way more efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. Okay, first things first, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, the main thing we want to focus on is the audience section. Think of your audience as your virtual address book inside Mailchimp. This is where all your subscribers live. On the left-hand menu, you'll usually see Audience. Give that a click to pull up your full list of contacts. Now, once you're in your audience view, you'll notice your contacts are displayed in a neat list. To organize them, we'll be using tags, which are like digital sticky notes, super helpful when you want to group similar contacts together, like old customers or newsletter signups. Before we add any tags, let's select which contacts we actually want to tag. The easiest way to do this is by clicking the little checkbox right beside Email up at the top of your contact list. This will select everyone in your current view. If you've ever checked multiple emails in your inbox at once, it works just the same. Don't worry if you've got a lot of contacts. If you want to be more selective, you can simply tick off the boxes next to specific emails instead. Once you make your selection, take a look towards the top of your contact list. A new option should appear, Tag Contacts. This button pops up only when contacts are selected, so if you don't see it, double-check that you've ticked those checkboxes. Go ahead and click Tag Contacts. Now here comes the creative part. You'll be prompted to type in a tag name. Imagine you want to keep track of your older subscribers. You might type in something simple like old. You can create personalized tags for anything. Recent buyers, webinar attendees, or folks who have requested a special download. Tags are flexible, so name them whatever makes sense for your specific organization needs. Once you've typed in your tag, you'll see an option to create it. Hit that, and Mailchimp will get things set up in the background. It's a really quick process, but if you're tagging many contacts, it might take just a moment. Don't worry if your screen pauses briefly. After you've created the tag, you'll notice another option labeled Actions. This drop-down menu is where you'll actually connect the newly created tag to your selected contacts. Find and click Add Tag. A little window will pop up. Just make sure your chosen tag is selected and then click Apply. And just like that, your contacts now have their shiny new tag attached. That's all there is to it. You've now tagged and organized your Mailchimp contacts. From here on out, you'll be able to filter, segment, and target your messages far more easily. It's like turning a messy drawer into a perfectly labeled filing cabinet. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you run into any hiccups, just drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials to boost your marketing skills. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.